You're listening to the Finance Magnates Daily Brief, brought to you by Finance Magnates Intelligence.
Today's Friday, the 14th of August, 2026, and these are our main stories. Deribit routes most spot orders to Coinbase. Equiti expands its Al-Wada sponsorship, and Gate enters U.S. equities with Alpaca. To begin today, Deribit has received a broker-dealer license from Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, allowing the Coinbase-owned crypto derivatives platform to route most spot orders to Coinbase Exchange for execution. Deribit will remain the client-facing venue, retaining its derivatives ecosystem, while Coinbase provides the main execution and liquidity for the upgraded spot offering. The new license adds to Deribit's existing VARA permission for exchange services, rather than replacing it. Coinbase says clients will gain access to deeper liquidity and hundreds of additional assets, while Deribit's own spot order book will remain available for a limited number of assets. The upgraded service will be available to retail, qualified, and institutional investors. Meanwhile, Equiti has renewed and expanded its sponsorship of Abu Dhabi football club Al-Wada FC for the 2026-27 season. The broker's branding moves from the sleeve to the front of the club's home, away and goalkeeper shirts, alongside Abu Dhabi developer Lead Development. Equiti first partnered with Al-Wahda as a sleeve sponsor in 2024. The expanded agreement also includes pitch-side LED advertising, stadium branding, and visibility across the club's digital and retail channels. Turning to retail trading, cryptocurrency platform Gate has partnered with Alpaca as it expands into U.S. stocks and exchange-traded funds, IPO allocations, and tokenized equities. Gate users will be able to access more than 10,000 U.S.-listed stocks and ETFs through Gate stocks, while eligible users can request U.S. IPO allocations. Alpaca provides the brokerage infrastructure, including custody and settlement, for the underlying shares, supporting Gate's G-Stocks tokenized stock offering. The move follows a wider shift among crypto exchanges into traditional financial products, with Binance and MEXC also expanding their U.S. equities offerings. Coinbase has similarly outlined plans for a multi-asset platform covering crypto, equities, derivatives, and prediction markets. Finally, on the crypto regulatory front, Nilmini Rubin, Chief Policy Officer at Hedera, says the industry's next challenge may be making different national frameworks work together. MiCA's transitional period ended in July, while the UK has finalized its crypto asset rulebook, and the US is moving ahead with its own framework, including the Genius Act. The issue is particularly important for stablecoins and tokenized assets that move across jurisdictions. Different rules on reserves, redemption, custody, and reporting can create friction even when transactions settle almost instantly. The proposed solution is greater regulatory interoperability, including comparable protections, information sharing arrangements, and coordinated supervision. The US-UK Transatlantic Task Force for Markets of the Future has already committed to developing clearer pathways for stablecoins, while the UK's Digital Securities Sandbox could provide a practical testing ground for cross-border activity. That's your Finance Magnates Daily Brief for August 14th, 2026. For the full stories, head to financemagnates.com. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.